Come on, cinnamon challenge. You can't get the cinnamon on the spoon. Alright, here we go.
Cut.
You better have your water ready. You got some water ready?
Cut.
Get you some water right quick.
Get beer on food.
I don't think beer is going to work.
Wait, move on. No.
Cut.
Alright, got the beer ready.
Cut.
Here we go.
Cut. Oh!
What's finna happen? What's finna happen? Oh no!
Damn!
It was really close.
Ah! You think?
Give me water.
So that concludes our cinnamon challenge. He had to throw it up. And we're done.